of the challenges that you may have when you're giving your child a nebulizer treatment is helping them to be able to sit still and basically cooperate with you. It's very important that they keep the mask on, or it's very important that the mist and the medication, of course, is going into their body in a consistent manner. So what I found is a very helpful way to deal with this. Sometimes, in particular with my son, he would get impatient, he would get bored, he would become a little bit resistant, is I try to make the time enjoyable, fun, and try to do things that are special, that are kind of out of the ordinary in terms of the time that you spend with your kids. So it may be, that you set aside a particular time, the nebulizer time, to do something that they wouldn't do normally. It could give them an opportunity to sit in your lap, read a story. My kids definitely like looking through books. I'll let them pick out their favorite book to be able to look through and read while we're doing the treatment. They might want to listen to a tape of music, or we might want to play with puppets. You do want to be aware of the fact that they're probably not going to be able to do a lot of things like coloring or writing if they're going to be bending their head down, because if they have the mask on, they might not be able to see around it very well. So it should be an activity where their head is up and they're kind of not really thinking about the fact that they're sitting there getting this treatment. The other thing that I think can be very helpful is to let your child personalize the nebulizer machine, the air compressor itself. And you guys can show how you put stickers on there to kind of make it a little bit fun and to make it something that, again, they're showing is their own, and they're personalizing it, and just helps them to feel a little bit more a part of the activity.